Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Expo for iOS and Android builds easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register with Expo for iOS and Android builds, start by navigating to the Expo website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Click on the Sign Up button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Fill out the required information, including your email address and password. Once you submit your details, confirm your email by clicking the link sent to your inbox. After confirming your email, log in to your Expo account. Next, open your terminal or command prompt. Make sure you have Node.js installed on your machine. Install the Expo CLI by running the command npm install g-expo CLI. Once the installation is complete, create a new project using Expo and your project name. Choose a template that fits your project's needs. Navigate into your project directory with the command cd your project name. Log into your Expo account through the command line by typing Expo login. Provide your Expo account credentials when prompted. To configure your project for build, run the command Expo build Android for Android or Expo build iOS for iOS. Follow the prompts to set up credentials, such as Key Store for Android or Distribution Certificate for iOS. Choose whether you'd like to manage the build yourself or let Expo handle it. After finalizing the settings, start the build process. You will receive a URL in the command line to track the progress of your build. Once the build is complete, you'll get a downloadable link for your app. Download and test your app on your devices to ensure everything works as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.